Oh, closed. It's not a touchscreen, I think. Oh, it is. Oh! What's up everyone, welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and well, we are here with a very cool Renault Megane RS trophy. We borrowed it at Veban Motorsport, which is a very cool company specialized in Renault sport stuff, Renault Clio V6s, and they have tuned this trophy 275. So they offered to, you know, give it to us for our channel and drive it a bit and see what it's like. So we have done a few of these. The trophy has an Akrapovic exhaust, which is fully titanium, and then with a carbon fiber rear silencer. As you can see, very pretty. We drove a Megane RS with an Akrapovic exhaust at the Nürburgring a couple of months ago, and we know that that sounds awesome. It is a big improvement over the regular one. So what else does a trophy have? Well, it has a different spoiler, I think, because I don't really recognize these little cool things. It has different wheels with Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, which are delicious. Oh, just look at it. It also has 19-inch Speedline wheels, and this car has upgraded brakes, 355mm 2-piece Brembo brakes, which is very nice, of course. And the guys at Veban have also done a different intercooler. As you can see, it's right there, a different downpipe and an ECU remap. So this car now delivers 350 horsepower, which is a lot for a front-wheel drive car. Stock 275 horsepower and 360 newton meters. Oh, closed. Yep. So the trophy, as you can see, it also has these upgraded bucket seats with sort of a carbon fiber leather. Very cool. They are very snug, and we've got a lot of Alcantara in here as well. I mean, the steering wheel is fully Alcantara, which is really nice. The dash completely covered with it. Beautiful carbon fiber trim here with a red line. Yeah, looks really cool, I have to say. Something I don't like, and I have never liked it about these Renaults, this stupid key. So the exhaust pops and bangs really nicely, and we're just going to drive it along this beautiful road and see what it's like. That's not a touchscreen, I think. Oh, it is. Cool. So the RS monitor. Wow, check it out. All right. Oh, wow, that clutch is very jumpy. Alrighty, so Martijn told me to put the ESP in sport with this little button here, because he said that it changes the mapping or something like that. And oh, oh, that's a quick car. Martijn also said that it has a lot of traction problems, obviously, and I think it's going to rain pretty soon, so. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, I love these cars. Every time I drive one, I love it more. It's just so... It feels incredible. Wow, that's quick. stunted slip diff pulling me towards the apex. Oh, what a lovely car this is. I didn't really know what to expect, but man, this is awesome. So the Trophy is sort of the more hardcore version of the Megane RS 265. It has 10 horsepower more, same amount of torque as the regular Megane RS 265. And it's sort of a derivative of the Trophy R, with which Renault has set the Nürburgring front wheel drive record a couple of years ago. About 200 of these were built, so it's quite rare, and they were never sold in the Netherlands, but somehow Veban Motorsport has got a hold of one. Oh. So let's check out those traction problems Martijn told me about. So let's go for second gear. It's actually not bad. Yeah, there it is. Man, this thing is quick. Woo! So the great thing about these cars is that the chassis setup is so good, and the steering feel, the pedal feel, the gearbox, everything is so, well, just nicely judged by Renault Sport. This is how I want my hot hatch to feel. Oh, you have to really warm up those Cup 2 tires, but when they are warm, oh, and those bangs from the exhaust. And it's not that annoying repetitive cracks, pops and bangs software. It's like sometimes it does pop and bang and sometimes it doesn't. See, now it doesn't. At the shifts too, sometimes when you shift pops, sometimes it doesn't. This is a good car. Wow. I'm actually a bit surprised by it, because as I said, I really didn't know what to expect. 350 horsepower, that's a lot for this car, and it's actually able to handle it quite nicely. That Alcantara steering feel also feels really good. Steering wheel in my hands. It's just that, you know, it has some traces of use there, but still, it's so nice. Oh, I really want one of these to drive on the track. So 0 to 100 kilometers an hour stock should be around 6 seconds. But with this added power, I think, you know, with those traction problems in first gear, I think that it's going to be around 6 as well. My goodness! Veban Motorsport. Go check them out, veban.com. They are Renault sport specialists and they know what they're doing, because this thing feels incredible. Yes! Oh, those brakes are super bitey and sharp as well. Oh. Woo! So we also drove the Renault Clio V6 at Veban Motorsport, and well, it's cool to see how they compare, because this is sort of the modern, you know, well, not the modern, because there's a newer one, but sort of the setup with the 2-liter turbo engine. the experience is completely different. I'm not saying that one is better than the other. I'm just saying that the Clio V6 is better than this. So I guess I am saying that one is better than this. One is better than the other. But it is very cool to drive them back to back and to see, you know, what we are talking about all the time. About, oh, we're so sad about all the downsizing. We're sad about the V6 engines and V8 engines disappearing. But then you drive a car like this, which is super capable, has 350 horsepower on the front wheels with, you know, some traction problems, but not that much. And it just drives incredibly well. And that turbocharged engine, well, this is also one of my favorite 2-liter turbos ever, I think. So, because this engine actually has some character. You know, you hear some sounds. It sort of changes. Yeah, this is a very cool car. It's actually for sale at Veban Motorsport, I think. So if you're interested, go check it out at veban.com. Let's see if we can get some more cracks and pops and bangs. No, not really, but that's okay. So the trophy, of course, is much more sharp than the regular 265. You get Öhlins dampers, you get special springs, those wheels, these tires, all Alcantara, and it just feels, you know, it feels super sharp. It feels super direct, and well, it's super fast as well, but I can't really show you here. Those bangs are so cool. It's just, you know, 1 or 2, which is a lot better than that repetitive stuff. Okay. Oh man. Okay, so there's the Clio V6. I'm going to end it here. It's a bit of a short one, but yeah, we've done so much on the Renault Megane RS already, so I thought I would just, you know, sort of tell you about the trophy and all the stuff that Veban Motorsport have done. So if you want to know more about those guys, go check it out at veban.com. And you can subscribe to our channel by clicking the big button right here. Check out this POV review of that car and check out this POV review playlist. We've made a lot of them, so if you're interested, go check it out. And well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.